Engaging introduction. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at a very useful tool, the Sunlu FC01 filament connector. I'm sure you find yourself in a situation when you have many small pieces that you are unsure if it's enough or not enough to complete your next printing project. And then this filament connector can connect up your filament and solve the problem for you. So in today's video I will unbox this and make some filament connections, and yeah, that's it. One thing I want to tell you, I'm sure if you look around the market about filament connectors, you've probably seen this little jig for filament connecting. So this is somehow like you unscrew it and you put your connection here and you melt the filaments with lighter. I find it really hard to use this one. This is a piece of shit. I was very unhappy with it. That's the reason I buy Sunlu. Okay, let's take a closer look. Alright, there we have it. The Sunlu filament connector. Let's open it up just like this, and we welcome with a usage instructions. Nobody need that. Actually, I will need. This is a well packaged little device. Here we go. Nice protective form. There goes the filament, and there's something hiding under this. These are the sleeves used for the connection, I guess, and a USB cable. Okay, so this uses a barrel jack, goes there. Unfortunately, they don't give an adapter. That's something you have to find for yourself. But yeah, that's it. The Sunlu FC01 filament connector. So I unpack the connector. I find myself a power supply. Don't need anything fancy, but you have to look out power supply be at least 10 watts or 2 amps, and it will just work fine. Here we go. And as you can see, I have some leftover white PETG filament hanging around, and I have a new spool. So when you connect your filaments, all you have to make sure it's the same type. If you have PLA, you can connect PLA to PLA or PETG to PETG, but don't mix up different materials. For demonstration purposes, I will connect this, not the white one actually, but PETG, just a different color, so it's easier to see on video. So I will use this navy blue and connect with the white one. Let's get it free some. Okay. Let's open the white one. So what you want to do is to cut the ends at a 45 degrees. I prepared myself one sleeve, and so I will go like this with the filament. So I cut one 45 degree here and another one there, and line it up. Actually this is not 45 degree, so let's try it again. Yeah, that looks fine. Okay, and then I guess sleeve there, one side and then the other, and line up perfectly. So this will go into the machine. So this is the part when we fire it up. It's preset to PETG. This SV is the target temperature. They give you the details about what material needs what temperature. I don't know what is PCL, but they say PLA need 185, ABS 220, PETG 210. So it started to heating up. So with this button I go inside the menu, you can change PLA and then the target temperature will be there. PETG done. Oh, I can change the preset temperature, but I don't want to do that. I'm perfectly happy with that. Okay, leave it alone and it will be fine. So there is actually no back button. So when you enter this menu and you change your setting, and when you're happy with it, like the temperature and with the preset, you just leave it alone for a few seconds and it just stops blinking. That means it go back to normal, I guess. It's right 145. It starts to get very hot. Oh yeah, be careful with this one. Okay, so the instruction is to wait. I think close it down. It will heat up faster. So we wait a little bit. Okay, and we're nearly there. Prepare my little filaments. Yeah, looks like it's never gonna reach 10. So I just I get something. Okay, try to position in the middle, right there. Close it. And there will be a sound again. And just very little pressure to the right and the left, okay? It's done. Open, come out, and hold it a little bit stable, so it has to cool down. Maybe I blow on it a little bit. And, oh, it's still very hot. All right. Yeah, okay. So it's fused together. Now this part have a blade inside, so you can just cut away the sleeve. But I want to, because it's not too long, this white leftover, I can just remove like this. Yeah, and maybe I can use it once more. But let's take a look at the how it's fused. Yeah, let's zoom in a little bit, shall we? I can tell you it's really, really strong. Yeah, very nice. Okay, time to print. Okay, welcome back. So I'm here at my computer. I'm gonna set up a job for printing with that filament. Add a benchy because I don't really know what. Yeah, a test benchy right there. That's a very beautiful benchy indeed. And I use a 0.6 nozzle and slice. There we have it. And I actually use Octoprint. Something went wrong. Yeah, reload. There we have it. Upload and print, and see you soon at the printer. Here we go. Here is our beautiful filament. Have to be careful not to tangle it. Well, actually it's not much white, but I think it's enough to see how is it working out. Right. Yeah, let's feed it through. I decided not to use that filament dryer over there to make things faster a little bit. You want to watch different other videos from better content creators probably. Yeah, that's it. Let's lift it up a little bit and extrude. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Beautiful. And actually this is the first time I'm trying to print this bench on a 0.6 millimeter nozzle. We will see. Actually I have to watch out for the Z offset, because before this procedure I made a auto leveling, and sometimes this 3D printer not quite find the perfect Z offset after auto leveling. Right, so homing finished. And Z offset looks quite well. Looks good. I might have to adjust a little bit. Yeah, a little bit down. Yeah. Yeah, but we can see it's almost nailed it for the first time. And very nice. Yeah, okay, I think I switch to time-lapse and see what happens now. And look at that. Soon we change to blue. No, it can happen any minute now. The white one is almost run out. And there it comes, the blue filament. Our filament connection, the fuse, was successful and looks like it's perfectly carrying on. I have to tell you, it's not only just the same material PETG, but the same brand too. I guess there could be problems like different PETGs, like if you combine high speed with carbon fiber, that I think can cause problems. But these two, the blue and the white, the same basic PETG, that looks pretty nice. By the magic of filmmaking, I will finish this benchy in a minute. So that's it. Here we are, the finished bench here with the fused filament. I want to show you this beauty. Let's zoom in. So that's about it. The FC01 Sunlu filament connector. Really useful piece of equipment. I think I will use it a lot, and that concludes our video for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you for watching.